In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply content credentials in Lightroom Mobile in a simple, step-by-step way. This is a great feature if you want to prove ownership, share your identity details, and make your edits more transparent when you export your photos. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tips and mobile editing guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Lightroom Mobile on your phone and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. Once you're inside the app, go to the Settings or App Settings section. You can usually find this by tapping the menu icon and looking for the Settings option. Next, find the Content Credentials setting. Tap on it to turn it on. This is the feature that allows Lightroom to attach verified information to your export. After enabling it, connect the accounts you want to include. This may include your name, your social media accounts, or other identity details you want associated with your work. Connecting these accounts helps make your exported file easier to verify. Now, once your content credentials are set up, go to the photo you want to export. Keep in mind that content credentials can only be added to JPEG files, so if your image is not in JPEG format, you'll need to export it as JPEG first. That is an important limitation to remember before you continue. When you're ready to export, tap the Share or Export option. In the export settings, look for Content Credentials and select it. Make sure the option is enabled before you finish exporting. When you turn it on, Lightroom Mobile will include information such as your name, linked social accounts, and edit history. It will also publish the credentials to the cloud for verification, which helps others confirm the authenticity of the image. Before you complete the export, take a moment to review your settings. Double-check that the correct photo is selected, the file type is JPEG, and content credentials is turned on. Then tap Export or Save, depending on your device, and let Lightroom finish processing the file. And that's it. You've successfully applied content credentials in Lightroom Mobile. This is a really useful feature for creators, photographers, and anyone who wants to add a layer of transparency and trust to their images. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Lightroom Mobile tutorials, editing walkthroughs, and creator tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.